Hey everyone, welcome back to SAL-Ed, where we break down the science behind better health and a stronger you. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful hormones in your body, testosterone. Whether you're male or female, young or aging, testosterone plays a vital role in your energy, muscle mass, mood, and even your heart health. So let's dive in. What is testosterone? Testosterone is a steroid hormone primarily produced in the testes in men and, to a lesser extent, in the ovaries and adrenal glands in women. While it's commonly associated with male traits like facial hair and a deeper voice, it's actually essential for both sexes. It starts to surge during puberty, peaks in early adulthood, and then begins a slow decline, about 1% per year after age 30. But its role in the body doesn't stop there. Think of testosterone as a master regulator. It helps build muscle, supports bone density, maintains sex drive, and even impacts mood and memory. Benefits of increasing your testosterone levels. 1. Healthy heart and blood. Testosterone helps produce red blood cells through the bone marrow. A healthy level can reduce your risk of anemia and support cardiovascular health by improving circulation and heart function. 2. Less fat, more muscle. It boosts muscle protein synthesis, making it easier to gain lean mass and burn fat. Studies show that men with higher testosterone tend to have lower body fat percentages and more defined physiques. 3. Stronger bones. Bone density decreases as testosterone levels drop. Maintaining or increasing testosterone helps reduce the risk of fractures, especially important as we age. 4. Improved brain function. Testosterone isn't just about the body, it sharpens the mind. Higher levels are associated with better verbal memory, spatial abilities, and even mathematical reasoning. Yes, testosterone may help you think more clearly. 5. Better libido. Testosterone drives sexual desire and performance. Low levels can lead to decreased interest in sex and erectile dysfunction in men. 6. Improved mood. Low testosterone is linked to depression, fatigue, and irritability. Balanced levels help stabilize mood, reduce stress, and improve overall quality of life. Risks of testosterone therapy. So with all these benefits, you might be wondering, is testosterone therapy the answer? Testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, can be life-changing for those with clinically low levels. But it's not without risks. Potential side effects include increased risk of blood clots, acne and oily skin, sleep apnea, shrinking of the testicles, and reduced sperm count. That's why TRT should only be considered if you've been diagnosed with low testosterone by a qualified healthcare provider. Self-medicating or using unregulated supplements can do more harm than good. So, natural ways to increase testosterone. Good news? You can naturally support your testosterone levels with a few key lifestyle changes. Here's how. 1. Strength training. Weightlifting and high-intensity interval training are proven to give your testosterone a natural boost. 2. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Studies show that even 1 week of poor sleep can significantly lower testosterone. 3. Nutrition. Eat enough protein, healthy fats, and zinc-rich foods like beef, pumpkin seeds, and eggs. Avoid ultra-processed foods and too much sugar. 4. Stress management. High levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can suppress testosterone. Practice meditation, deep breathing, or even just get outside for a walk. And 5. Get enough vitamin D. Sunlight is your friend. Low levels of vitamin D have been linked to low testosterone. Testosterone isn't just about muscle or masculinity. It's about vitality, strength, brain power, and longevity. Whether you're considering therapy or just looking to optimize your levels naturally, always start with lifestyle and talk to your doctor. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more science-backed health tips, and drop a comment below if you've ever had your testosterone tested or are thinking about it.